Just show you this project that's just getting ready to get started here. It's an insurance repair job. Looks like they got tangled up with a car going down the road. So as you can see that we've marked out and explained every part that we have to repair. A lot of these jobs, we have great relationships with insurance companies, and we'll just document the job, photos, upload an estimate, and get approval and get working on your coach for you. Streamlines the process, takes the middleman adjuster out of it. If we need a supplement, more photos, upload a supplement, so we can get your coach repaired and back to you quicker. So as you can see, we've got damage back here, new bag doors all along the side here. So we'll update you on this job and show you some more videos, and we will get a perfect color match. Graphics will look factory, get this customer back on the road. So if you've got any collision repair that you need done on your coach, general maintenance, service, interior work, please come see us at OCRV in Yorba Linda.